Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful flower, and this is a really easy pattern for beginners. It's made quickly and you can use them as appliques for your clothes, for your bags or for your blankets. So let's get started. These are the materials you will need. These are the abbreviations I used. The written pattern is in the description. We're gonna start with the white yarn and make a slip stitch. And then we're gonna chain 7. Now into the last chain, make a slip stitch, and this is your starting circle. Now we're gonna start with the first petal, chain 4, and then into this circle make 3 trebles. So we yarn twice, insert your hook inside the circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. You're gonna have 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2, and then again yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how you make a treble. Now let's make 2 more. Next, chain 4. And we're gonna slip stitch back into the circle. And this is our first petal. We're gonna have to make 4 more. We need 5 petals in total. So again, chain 4. Then we make 3 trebles inside the circle. That's 1, 2, 3, and then chain 4 and slip stitch back into the circle. And now we need to make 3 more petals. I'll speed up the video. If you need to watch it, just slow it down or just jump straight to the next round. Okay, now we have our 5 petals. We're gonna slip stitch at the back. So push the loop behind the leaves and make a slip stitch. Then we're gonna cut the yarn. And this is our flower so far. Now we're done with the white yarn. Let's weave in the ends. Back and forth a few stitches, just to make sure it won't unravel. And we're done. Let's cut the ends and we can continue with the next color. This is how it looks like so far. We're gonna continue with the second color. Mine is a blue. Yours can be any color you want. And we're gonna start with a slip knot. And then we're gonna join between the petals with a chain. So bring it out and chain 1, and we've joined our blue yarn in between the petals. Now we chain 7 And then we are gonna make a treble in between the spaces between those trebles we made in the first round. So yarn over twice, insert your hook between the stitches and make your treble. Then again yarn over twice in between the next space, right there, make another treble, into the next space another treble, like this, and then last space another treble. So you're gonna have 4 trebles, and then we're gonna chain 7 and slip stitch in between the petals below. Let's make a tight slip stitch, and this is our first petal. It will set itself. It looks maybe sometimes a bit curly, but if you loosen the yarn a little bit, it will look like a petal, like so. Okay, so let's continue. Now we repeat the same thing on all 5 petals. So 4 more times. We start by chaining 7. Then yarn over twice, and we make a treble in between the stitches. There will be 4 trebles in total. Like so, and then chain 7, and slip stitch in between the petals, and another petal is done. So I'm gonna do the rest of the petals, and then I'll meet you at the end to finish it. Okay, so at the end we're gonna slip stitch in the same place where we started, and that's where we're gonna fasten off. So make a slip stitch and then cut the yarn, pull up a loop, and this is our flower. Now all you have left is to go on the back, pull these 2 ends at the back, and we're going to weave them in, and we're gonna weave them in on the blue side. So don't weave them in on the white yarn because it will show up. Okay, so that's one end, and then the other end, let's just move this yarn to the side. We're gonna do it through the other petal. Cut the yarn, and this is how it looks like now. That's your flower. And just pull a little bit the petals to loosen up the edges so they won't curl, and they will settle and they'll look like this. So yeah, this is how you crochet this beautiful easy flower. You can make them in any color you want, make a bunch of them, and then use them as applique or as attachments for your hair accessories or for your clothes or even for blankets. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions about this pattern, put them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Happy crocheting!